Hey guys, my name is Hayden Cassidy and I'm an Andis Global Educator. We're here today at my studio in London in the UK. Today I'm going to show you some of my favourite techniques that have helped me to become a successful barber. I hope you enjoy them and let's create together.
In this video we're going to create a tapered crop. We're going to take you through a step-by-step of creating this look. Start by sectioning the hair into place. We want to isolate the back from the front. Start by creating your profile guideline down the top center of the head. Cut your desired length by club cutting from back to the front of the head. Follow the section all the way to the top of the head. Once our guide has been cut, we can now use this guide to work horizontally across the head. Using the guide, cut square sections towards the front of the head. Once the right side is complete, take your profile guide and bring it to the opposite side. Now repeat the exact same technique, working horizontally across the head and using the guide in your center profile. Now we've created our base shape, we're now going to work on our connection point. This is the connection between the top of the hair and the sides that we're going to use our clipper. We're going to work with graduation. Take diagonal forward sections, keep your knuckles tight to the head and the fingertips away from the head. This will create an angle which will then create your graduation. Cut along the line to connect the two. Repeat on the opposite side and around the back of the head to create your graduation and connect the top to the sides. Once that's complete, we can now work on the front. Section the front of the hair by combing down the first layer of the fringe. Work with your scissors across the hair to give yourself a baseline. Always cut from one side to the other. Once that's complete, you can now style the hair into shape. This will allow you to see the shape of the haircut and what you want to achieve. Start by using your Andis US Pro cordless adjustable blade clipper to remove the weight on the connection area. Use your number 4 attachment comb and ensure you're constantly combing the hair into shape. This is called working with the grain of the hair and is great for dense hair. Once that's complete, you can now create your baseline. This weight line is created by using a number 4 attachment comb, and this will allow you to clear the canvas and start your fade work below. Once you have removed the length, you can now work on your next step. Your next step is going to be your number 2 attachment comb. Ensure you're using your C-shaped motion to guide the clipper into the previous step. This will prevent you from creating any lines in between the steps. This technique is called descending fading, and the technique is perfect for a nice soft finish. Next, we're going to use our 1.5 attachment comb to remove the hair underneath that. With this technique, we don't create any lines, so it's important to always stay visual when you're watching the steps with your clipper. Once we've worked with our 1.5 attachment comb, we're now going to go down to our 1 attachment comb. Remember, when a new attachment comb is put on our clipper, we're always going to open our lever. As we reach to the bottom of the step, we can then close the lever, descending in fading. Our last attachment comb will be our 0 attachment comb, and we'll use that just towards the end of the nape and the end of the temple. You'll start to see the fade begin. It's important to constantly keep visually looking at the fade and at the blend to ensure you don't overwork the fade. This technique is fast and efficient but can be easily missed. To create our 0 guideline, we're going to use our Andis Slimline Pro trimmer. We're going to keep this guideline nice and low so we don't attack the fade that we've already created. We're now going to use our US Pro Cordless Adjustable Blade Clipper Fade Nation Edition. This edition has a fade blade on, which is perfect for precision blending. I'm going to use this fade blade and this clipper to blend into my US Pro Cordless Tapered blade that I've just created my blend with. I'm now going to use my 0 attachment comb to refine the blend and connect the two. Once that's done, we're going to create our outlines. Our outlines are important to really show off our fade and the work we've just done. Be very careful when creating your outlines. You want everything to be symmetric. This is the finish of your haircut and the most important part of the haircut. This is what's going to set your haircut apart from anybody else. It's all about the details. Using our GTX XO trimmer, we're now going to soften the front of the haircut. We're going to use the blade to point cut into the fringe, which will give it a lot of movement and texture towards the front. We're now going to work on our connection point. We're going to use our US Pro cordless clipper with our taper blade on and a small clipper comb. Notice the strokes I'm creating with my clipper. This is to really soften the blend and not create any more lines. The lever is open, which will allow me to give a really soft finish when using this technique. This is perfect for anybody with dense or straight hair. Once that's complete, I'm now going to use my volumizing texture dust, which will allow me to really bring out the texture that I've created in the haircut. You can use any product you wish to finish off this look. I hope you've enjoyed our tapered crop. This is a really nice haircut and it's something that I do often in the studio. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed some of the techniques I've shared with you. Enjoy using them in your everyday salon or barbershop, and I hope to see you soon.